In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat table header on each page in LibreOffice Writer. If you work with long tables, keeping the header visible on every page makes your document much easier to read. I'll walk you through two simple ways to set this up, and you can use whichever feels more natural. Let's begin by opening LibreOffice Writer. Then open the document that contains the table you want to modify. Once your file is open, click anywhere inside the table. This tells Writer which table you want to adjust. The quickest method is through the top menu. Go to the Table menu, then choose Header Rows Repeat across pages. When this option is active, you'll see a check mark next to it. This instructs Writer to repeat the table's header rows at the top of each new page that the table spans. If your table is only one page long, you won't see a difference yet, but the setting will be ready as soon as the table flows onto a second page. There's also a more detailed method that gives you control over how many rows should repeat, which is helpful if your header spans multiple rows. Right-click anywhere inside the table and select Table Properties from the Context menu. In the dialog that opens, switch to the Text Flow tab. Here, check the box labeled Repeat Heading. Then, in the field that says The First Rows, specify how many rows from the top should repeat. For most tables, entering 1 will repeat just the top row. If your header includes more than one row, adjust the number accordingly so the whole header block repeats. When you're done, click OK to apply the change. To confirm everything worked, scroll through your document and look for where the table continues onto the next page. You should see the specified header rows automatically appearing at the top of each continued section. You can also use Print Preview or Export to PDF to verify that the repeated headers appear in the final output. They will carry over to printing and exporting. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure your actual header content is in the top rows of the table, since Writer repeats from the top down based on the number you set. If you don't see the headers repeating, check that the table truly spans multiple pages and that you applied the setting to the correct table. And remember, you can switch between the quick toggle in the Table menu and the detailed settings in Table Properties anytime. That's it. With these options, you can keep your headers visible and your long tables easy to read throughout your document.